Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did this ombre and side French color block nail design using Revel nail dip powders. So let's get right into the video. So I apply my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nail. Now I apply 3 layers of clear dip powder to build my nail. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nail and also to protect my natural nail from the color. This is also an optional step. Now I apply tape off camera in a slanted angle. Now I place base on the nail and using my Revel flippant and ensemble I did an ombre. I did 3 layers of that. Then I removed the tape and did about 2 more layers of the ombre off camera. Now I placed activator on the nail, waited for it to harden and then I filed to get a straighter line. Now I placed tape again on the nail. I also placed tape above the ombre because we are working with black dip powder and black can ruin nail designs, so better to be safe than sorry. So now I applied base to the nail and poured the black dip powder on the nail. I did about 2 layers of that, then I removed the tape. Then I applied activator, waited for the nail to harden and then I filed to get a straight line. Now using my Revel gold dip powder, I placed base on the tip of the nail and dipped into the glitter dip powder. I did 2 or 3 layers of that. Then I encapsulated the nail with a few layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 2 layers. Then I applied activator to the nail, waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nail. Now I'm applying some Mother One's gel top coat and I cure it for 30 seconds. Then I apply cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail. So this is the finished look. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.